Welcome to Woodworking channel. Today I want to review for you a step pallet painting line equipped with an outdoor treatment system designed and constructed by Woodworking company based on the customer's requirement regarding the painting step, workshop area, labor, input and output capacity. We have designed a 200 meter long pallet painting line with 98 cart and Quocduy system. The detail of the line such as scale, convenient jam, pallet cart, and drive system are all imported from Taiwan. The line speed is controlled by an inverter. On control operation on the line are performed a touch screen. This is the control cabinet for the painting line. The pallet painting line is typically used for painting assembled parts such as table, chair, cabinet, and beds. Here, the customer wants to paint chair, but due to the current order requirement, they are only painting the chair leg. It's simple. We just need to design an additional rack to hang the part from, and it's good to go. First, the raw material will be gathered and loaded at this position to start the line, passing through the first painting step, which is called the painting. Here, we have designed a 6 meter single-sided double-layer water pen. This pen would require 2 workers for painting operation. Next, it moves to the second painting stage, also requiring 2 workers. After these 2 paint steps, a drying time is needed. So, our drying room made of fire-resistant insulated pallet wall. The temperature in the drying room can be adjusted to match with the outside weather and the type of the pan used to ensure proper drying time. Inside the drying room, IR drying lighting are arranged alternatively to ensure the room temperature is even and stable. Next, the process moves to the steady stage. We have designed 3 dust extraction hoods for the customer. The dust generated during sanding is almost entirely handled by these hoods, ensuring both the quality and the health of the worker. Following this, the process moves to the color painting step and finally to the gloss painting step to minimize dust contamination that could affect product quality. During the gloss painting step, we have designed additional panel partition to block dust. There are 2 10 HP fresh air supply units with intake filter to create positive pressure in the room, pushing dust out in a cyclical manner. This ensures the air in the room is clean and all dust being expelled, guaranteeing higher quality for the final painting step. After that, the product are moved into the drying room and then taken out. Here, all 4 water painting towers are equipped with an outdoor treatment system. The exhaust pan fumes are filtered through plastic bond and activated cardboard, meeting environmental emission standard, so you can be assured about this aspect. This is an overview of one of the pallet painting line designed and constructed by Woodworking company. If you need consultation on pallet painting line or other machinery in woodworking machine, you can contact us. The hotline at 0903 600 113. Our customer care and consuming team will provide advice, design solution that best suit your needs. Goodbye and see you in the next video.